The community also came together for a chili cook-off fundraiser. The Young Trustees of Manhattan hosted the event, benefiting various nonprofits around Manhattan. Channel 8 reporter Glenn Kinley has the story.
Doug Hoffman has only lived in Manhattan
So we
for
just
about
completely
6
floated
months
the
now,
Oslo.
but he says he is learning very quickly what the community is like through events like the MHK Chili Cook-Off, which was hosted Saturday in the Blue Earth Plaza by the Young Trustees of Manhattan.
I think it's cool to come here. I've only been here for a limited amount of time and see that they do things like this in this community. It's great. So,
the event raised money for not one but many nonprofits in Manhattan. It included an interesting spin in which businesses sponsoring the event could choose a nonprofit in the community to benefit. Those who signed up to participate for the event could also choose which nonprofit at least $5 of their $15 fee would go towards.
A lot of businesses in Manhattan, already support nonprofits, and this is just another avenue to do that. And so it's really cool seeing a lot of the teams out here that have the nonprofits and the businesses cooking together. And so it just kind of brings the whole community together.
These participants could also choose to partake in a half-K run or walk before the event. The event had many other activities going on, including axe throwing, children's activities, cornhole, and the K-State football game being shown on the big screen.
Participants can try out 22 different chili recipes and choose their favorite one before the judges themselves gave it their own rating.
It's an awesome time to get nonprofits together, businesses together, promote what we do each day, and then give back to the communities.
For those new to the city, events like this can help to give a little taste of what Manhattan is all about. For Manhattan, I'm Glenn Kinley, Channel 8 News.
Last year, over $15,000 was donated to over 40 different nonprofits from the Chili Cook-Off alone.